What is up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have the OG Blue Yeti mic. The audio of this video is recorded on this very same mic. I will be unboxing this mic to show you what's inside the box, and then on the second part of the video I will be showing you how to set it up with your computer, which only takes less than 2 minutes. Then I'm going to show you a free software that you can use to record and edit your audio on your laptop. And then finally, I will suggest some alternatives as well as some places you could pick this up at a discount. So when you open the box, you will see the instruction manuals as well as the USB Type B connector, which is a pretty old type of connector if you ask me. I think they should switch it up to USB Type C. We also received a silica packet which you can throw it away. At the bottom we have the Blue Yeti mic itself. So I'm gonna see if there's anything else in the box inside, and looks like no, that's all we had. So I'm just gonna close this box and put it aside, and let's look at the mic itself. One thing I must say that the packaging of this product was pretty good. It also came up with this round rubberized circle thingy to protect the top of the mic, which I could also put aside now. And let's see the mic itself. The dimension of this mic is 12.45 by 11.94 by 29.46. The mic works with all the OS, that includes Windows, Mac and Linux. Also some smartphones if you have the right connector. At the bottom we have the USB Type B port, also a headphone jack. Please do not think that you could connect the mic with the iPad or smartphones via this headphone jack. You would need a Lightning to USB camera adapter with charging port. You could pick it up on Amazon. I would also be putting a link in the description below. So now let's connect the mic with the computer. As you can see, I have the Windows laptop, but it will also work with Mac OS and Linux like I mentioned before. The free audio software that you can use to record and edit your audio is called Audacity, which you can download from their website. So I'm just going to open up the Audacity now and show you how to record. After your software is open, make sure you go to the drop down menu over here and select Yeti stereo microphone. And for the speakers, you could use your computer speakers or Blue Yeti stereo microphone, in which case you would have to plug in your headphones into the microphone to be able to hear the audio of your recordings. In this case, I'll select my computer speakers. So in order to start recording, all you have to do is hit this record button and your audio will start recording. Click on the stop button to stop the recording, and you can go to the file menu and export your recorded audio. If you're in your home and recording indoors, I would highly suggest to put the gain all the way to the minimum so that your computer will not artificially boost your voice. We have the different patterns of recording, which is the best part of this mic. There are 4 types of different pattern settings with this mic, which are cardioid, omnidirectional, bidirectional as well as stereo, as you can see on this box. They will tell you the right type of the settings you would need to get the best results. In my case, I made this entire video on cardioid setting, which only picks up the voice coming from the front direction. Now I picked up this mic at Best Buy and I paid a little bit more for it. Later I noticed that on Amazon it's selling for a cheaper price. A good alternative for this mic would be its younger brother, which is Blue Yeti Nano, which is less expensive and it offers almost same audio quality. The only thing missing in the Blue Yeti Nano is that instead of 4 patterns, you only get 2 options, which are cardioid and stereo. If you do not require those recording patterns, Blue Yeti Nano is a very compelling option as it's less heavier than the regular Blue Yeti. However, the price difference between them is not too much. If you could afford a little bit more, I'd suggest going with the regular version because it's a tiny bit better in audio quality, and it also comes with more settings. That's all from me guys. Thank you for watching my YouTube video, subscribe to my channel and also like my video for more content.